Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, I'm in search of another pretty little bird, the scarlet robin. Now, scarlet robins aren't resident to Melbourne all year round. They're only here during the colder months, so from autumn to early spring. It's now mid-April, and so the scarlet robins have started to move their way back into the woodland forests around Melbourne. I did come out from a walk yesterday to try and find some, but the weather was terrible. It was blowing a gale. It was just no good for birds or bird photography at all. But during the course of that walk, I did happen to see one or two female robins, so I know roughly where they're going to be. So let's head off on a little hike now and see if we can find them again today. Okay, so I've reached the spot where the scarlet robins are, and there's a variety of different birds here. There's males, immature males, and females as well. Now, they're quite skitty little birds. They don't like being approached once they land on a perch, but they are using a variety of different trees fairly consistently. So the plan is I'm going to sort of plant myself in the middle of the different trees that they're using and just wait for them to land on the different perches and hope that I can get some photos. Let's see what we can get. Well, I hope you enjoyed seeing those robins. If you liked this video or any of my other videos, please remember to subscribe, and I'll see you back on the channel very soon.